Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Max from The Grinch. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw a bumpy line across for the fur of the hat. And then let's do the same thing on top. Now to continue the hat, let's start on top on the left and let's draw a large curve over to the right and down. Then from the right side, let's draw a small curve up. Curve it over to the right. And then to close off the end here, let's draw two wavy lines down. And then let's add a pom-pom at the end with a bumpy circle around. And that's it for the hat. Now let's hop down and let's draw the head. Underneath the hat on each side, let's step in and let's draw two curves down. Now inside, let's draw the eyes with two ovals. And two more ovals inside for the pupils. And another one inside at the top. And color the bottom sections in black. Next for the eyes, let's hop on top and let's draw a curve up. And then let's hop underneath and let's draw two curves down from the center. And that's it for the eyes. Now underneath, let's draw a curve across. And then a curve down to the left and back up. And then underneath, we're going to draw the nose with a curve up and back down. And let's add a small curve out on each side. Now for the inside of the nose, let's draw a curve down on the left. And let's draw some black lines out on the right side like this. And that's it for the nose. Now let's hop back up and let's draw a curve out on each side and bring it in at the end. Now let's draw another curve down and up. And then let's draw two curves in, stopping here. Now from each end, let's hop up and let's draw a curve down, meeting at the center. And then a small line down underneath the nose. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and let's draw the mouth. Inside each cheek, let's draw a curve down and back out. And then curve it down to the bottom. And that's it for the face. Lastly, let's draw the ears. Let's start underneath the hat at the top and let's draw a curve down on each side. Then underneath the cheeks, let's bring it down and back up. And then add a wavy line down inside. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start by drawing 2 curves down for the neck. And then a longer curve across at the bottom. Now on each side, let's draw a curve out. Bring it down. And a curve across to close off the collar. And then inside, let's draw 3 circles. And that's it for the collar. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw a line down and up on each side. Then another point underneath. And 2 long curves down and in. Now top to the center and let's draw a curve across. And then from the sides, let's curve it down and back out. Now underneath, let's draw the inside of the legs by drawing 2 curves down. And then at the bottom here, let's draw the feet. From the inside, let's draw a curve down and bring it out. Then from the outside line, let's bring it out and down. And then bring it back up to close off each foot. And lastly, let's draw 2 curves inside for the toes. And that's it for the front legs. Now let's hop in between and let's draw a small curve at the bottom. And then let's hop out and we're going to draw the back legs. Let's start on each side and let's draw a curve up and bring it down. Now let's draw a curve downwards and up. Another point underneath. And curve it back in, stopping here. Now at the bottom, let's draw the feet. Let's draw a curve out. And curve it back in. And 2 curves at the bottom for the toes. And that's it for the body. Lastly, we're going to draw the tail. On the top left, let's draw a curve up and down. And let's work our way up with spikes in the same way. Now let's do the same thing next to it on the left. And then for the top, let's draw 2 curves up. Bring them back in. And 1 more point to close it off. And that's it for Max. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!